Morning, my little champ. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Do you know which subject we are going to learn today? Anyone can guess? Our today's subject is drawing. So today I am going to teach umbrella. How to draw umbrella in a drawing book. Let's start. So today I am going to teach how to draw umbrella in our drawing notebook. First of all, children, write date over here. Today's date is 17/7 and write over here umbrella. UMBRELLA umbrella and homework H.W. So first of all, what we do is we draw a half circle on our page. See, we draw a half circle on our page like this. Then we just take a one sleeping line. Then we just take a one sleeping line like this. Then we find the center point. Sleeping line से हमें center point लेना है. So we make one standing line over here. Okay, children, got it? Then we make a curved line like this. One curved line and another curved line. Same, we draw a curved line here also. One curved line and another curved line. Okay, children? Now between these two lines we are going to add small curve. Between these two lines we are going to add some curves like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Between these two lines हमने क्या किया है, ये दोनों लाइन के बीच में एक कर्व ड्रॉ किया. ओके, देन आफ्टर वी आर गोइंग टू पुट वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन ओवर हियर. वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन and another standing line like this. Okay, then we are going to make small curve like this, another curve like this, umbrella handle. Okay, we join this both line. Got it, children? Now last we are going to make a small triangle for top of the umbrella. We are going to make small triangle of top of the umbrella. So now our umbrella is ready. So let's color it. Kids, which color do you like in your umbrella? आपको अम्ब्रेला कौन से कलर की पसंद है? आई लाइक डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ अम्ब्रेला. मुझे तो डिफरेंट कलर्स के अम्ब्रेला बहुत पसंद है. दिखाऊं? ओके, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें क्या करना है, ये जो कर्व किए है ना, उसके नीचे जो हमने ये स्लीपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ की है वो हमें रब करनी होगी. ठीक है? सो वी रब इट दिस स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके, नाउ प्रॉपर कर लेते हैं हम इसको. ओके, गुड. Now we are going to do color in it. So first I'll choose red color. Red color. Like, see, मैं कैसे कलर कर रही हूँ, देखो. Up and down, we will do coloring. Up and down, we will do coloring. Up and down, we will do coloring. So, my next color is green. वापस up and down, we will do coloring. Up and down, we will do coloring. Up and down, we will do coloring. My next color is orange. या आप ब्लू कलर भी ले सकते हो. ओके, चलो ब्लू. Up and down, we will do coloring. Up and down, we will do coloring. Okay children, अभी सेम जैसे कलर हमने यहाँ पे किया है आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हो, या फिर आप डिफरेंट कलर भी ले सकते हो. See children, my umbrella is ready. कलरफुल अम्ब्रेला कितनी अच्छी लग रही है ना. सो मैंने हैंडल पे ब्लैक कलर यूज किया है और टॉप पे ब्लैक कलर यूज किया है. यू चूज एनी कलर यू like. Children, if you have a sketch pen, black color sketch pen, so you can use black color sketch pen like this, borderline. So it looks really very nice. First of all, we draw a half circle. Okay. Then curve. आपको ब्लैक स्केच पेन से ऐसे पूरी अम्ब्रेला में बॉर्डर करनी है. सो इट लुक्स रियली नाइस एंड अट्रैक्टिव. आपकी अम्ब्रेला पहले से ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल दिखेगी. देखो, सी. Okay, children, got it? So do practice at home. Bye children.